The Memphis Grizzlies still so banged up. Boy, do they fight hard on Saturday night and almost beat Golden State. Still shorthanded, still going to the playoffs. Well, what a tough task tonight.
Been questioned all season long themselves. Shorthanded, injuries, they found a way to get into the playoffs. So they have the same mentality that they've had all year long.
Randolph the rebound, back out Carter. Carter well beyond the arc, hits the three-pointer. And the Grizzlies tie it up. Thompson for three. Randolph throws it up and in. Randolph back to Carter. Vince Carter steps back and hits. Carter's 39 years old in his 18th year. Carter connects. Klay Thompson. Carter the rebound.